In this video, I'll show you how to create an account, how to get approved, and what to do if you do not get approved. Let's go. To create your MailerLite account, go to the MailerLite website and then to the top right corner and click Sign Up. This will take you to the sign up page where you can go ahead and type in the name of your company. I'm just going to paste this really quickly. Your name, your email address, your password, and then click Register. This will take you to this page where you can start the approval process by clicking Complete over here, or you can also just start playing around with some of our MailerLite features. Now, if you go to the dashboard here, you'll see this yellow bar on top where it says your account is not approved yet, features are limited. If you go to campaigns, you'll see something similar. You can create campaigns, but you won't be able to send them. Same thing with forms. You can create them, but you can't enable forms while your account is not approved. So, like I said, you can go ahead and play around with these forms and everything else here. And if you want to start the approval process, go ahead and click Request Approval. This will take you back to this screen here. You can use our guide over here, or you can just start the approval process by clicking Complete. And this is what you'll see. You'll need to fill out all this information here. I'm just going to magically fill this out so as not to take up your time, but you need the company name, the address, the time zone, and other relevant information like what industry you're in, how many people work for your organization, when was the last time you sent your campaign. The more information you provide and the better the information, the quicker the approval process. Now, this might seem a little daunting, but the good thing is every MailerLite user has to go through this process, and that's one of the reasons why our deliverability rates are so high. Then you can go ahead and read the MailerLite anti-spam policy. It's here. Then you can go ahead and click I have read MailerLite's anti-spam policy, and you can sign up to our newsletter. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Save. And after you do that, this is what you will see. You'll see a little green check mark here, and then you can go ahead and click Complete here where it says Request Approval. To further speed up the approval process, you can go ahead and type in the name of your website and click Next. Now, if you don't have a website yet, use this drop-down menu and click I don't have my own website, and then click Next. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. Now verify your email. This is the domain you used for your website, so it's already pre-filled here. Then go ahead and click Next. This will take you to this familiar page, and you see the green check mark here, and it says we are now reviewing your account. This usually takes up to 30 minutes, and we can speed this up by clicking the information in the email. So let me quickly go to my email, confirm email, and there we go. The email is now verified. Now I can go again to the Request Approval page. You might have noticed this bar over here. Have you already had an account at MailerLite? You can migrate it. This is if you have been using MailerLite Classic. You can migrate your account by clicking this button here. And here we are still waiting for approval. And this sometimes can go faster than 30 minutes. Sometimes it's just a matter of refreshing the page. And here we go. Now, if for some reason you got disapproved, don't worry, just go ahead and check your email, see the instructions, and get back to us. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Again, thank you for watching. If you need more help, contact us directly or join our academy and learn all the ins and outs of MailerLite. All the details are in the description. See you there, and have a wonderful day.